And today I'm going to show you 5 Kinder Surprise eggs. And my mom bought this because we were out of the country. And it looks like in the background there's an airplane platform. And I think it's airplanes inside the Kinder Surprise eggs because in the back it shows 5 different airplanes. And now I'm going to show you all over the box. So it's 5 Kinder Surprise eggs. I'm going to open those 5 Kinder Surprise eggs today. And this is how the front looks like. And this is how the back looks like. Let's get started. So first I'm going to open this Kinder Surprise egg. Let's see. The chocolate looks good. Let's see what's in this. There's an airplane. Let's see what you have to do. Let's see this. So there's the 5 airplanes right there. And this is what you have to do. So step 1. You have to get the front of the airplane and the back. Put it together. So it's like that. Put it together. Like that. And then let's stand it up first. Yeah, let's stand it up. Oops, it broke. Out. There you go. Now the next step is to put one wing on this side. So this is how it looks. Next step is to put one wing on this side. So it's like that. Not yet. Oops. Yeah. I think this thing goes on this side. No. Let's see if my mom could do it. Wait, what's that for? Put the sticker on there. Here's the other wing. And there you go. There's the airplane. Going, landing. And now let's put it on this stander. Like that. That's how the airplane is. Now let's go to the next airplane. Let's see this Kinder Surprise egg. Now let's see. The chocolate. And there's the other airplane. So let's put this back. let's put this on. There you go. Now let's put the wing on. Let's put that wing. Oops. Here's the first wing, and the second wing is gonna come on. Oops, I accidentally just flopped off the first wing. Let's put it upside down. It's pretty hard. Let's see the standard. Let's see what's it called. It says Airbus A330 and it says 300. There's the airplane. Now let's put the sticker on. On the side, the front, and here comes landing. There you go. There's the second airplane. And let's put these two right there together, like they're landing. Third Kinder Surprise egg. Here's the third Kinder Surprise egg. Here is it. There you go. Now let's keep on going. Oops. Let's put the airplane together. It's like this. There you go. Like that. The wing. Oops. This side. There's the first wing, and the second wing is coming. There's the second, oops. And this is pretty easy. Like right there. See that sticker? Let's put the sticker. Now let's put the airplane. Oops. Let's put that airplane on. Let's put it on. Now here's all 3 airplanes. And 2 more airplanes left. Let's open this one. Break, sesame. Oops. There you go. Let's put the sticker on first, this time. Let's put the airplane together. Let's put that airplane, let's put it together. Let's put it like a pro. Put that wing. Here's the first wing. Here's the first wing. And here is that second. Mostly wings are easy for me. There's the wing. Let's put that sticker. Let's put it on here. Let's put that airplane. And let's put it right by all of the other airplanes. Now let's open this Kinder Surprise egg. I should open this next time. Well, that's all for today. Keep watching my cool videos and do a comment down below. And let's see. Do thumbs up down below. Bye. Love you.